These active anchors are made and set up to be releasable. They are intended to be used on fishing boats and small watercraft in places where there is a high likelihood of getting an anchor stuck, such as on rock and reef, or where there's a chance of snagging a rope, chain, or tree roots. The anchor's main features are the sliding collar, the shank bumps, and the stainless steel ring. Each bump position along the shank allows the anchor to be set to release with a certain amount of force when the rope is pulled vertically. If you have the collar in the first position on a DF300, it will take about 10 kilos of force to release it. In the second position, it will take about 20 kilos to release when pulled vertically, and in the third position, about 30 kilos. With the collar as far back as it can go, the anchor is in a locked position and will not release. It will then operate like a fixed anchor. Remember, even in the soft setting, the anchor will not easily release in sand or mud, as the flukes are forced backwards, keeping them in place. If you are on rock and hard ground, where only the tip of the fluke takes hold, a harder setting may be required, as the anchor may release with less force. Although the collar can be set in multiple settings, for general use, the anchor can be left in the middle position. The slide ring is to be used on rock or where there is a rope, chain, or tree roots underwater. To use it, simply undo the D-shackle and reattach it through the ring. Make sure the shackle pin is done up tight, as stainless steel fittings can work loose if not tightened properly. If the anchor gets stuck between rocks, pull the rope so the ring goes to the tail of the anchor and then pull up to release. This technique is very useful if the anchor is jammed in sideways. If the anchor gets hooked under a rope or mooring chain, let it drop to the sea floor, then without putting load on the rope, slide the ring back away from the obstacle and pull the anchor backward to pull it free. The lumps on the underside of the shank spring are there to prevent the anchor ring sliding back to the end of the shank. If you have any questions, please send us an email to info@activeanchors.com.au. Thanks for your time.
That was it.